Sadie? Sadie? Hey, baby girl. Do you want your bottle? Can you tell me you want your bottle? Is that you excited for your bottle? Tell me how you feel about your bottle. You excited? Yeah. You want your bottle? Can you grab for it? Yeah. Can you grab both hands? Grab both hands, baby girl. Grab both hands. Mommy's not good at doing this and taping you. Are you excited? Tell Mama how excited you are. Tell Mama how excited you are for your bottle. Okay. Oh. Grab for your bottle, baby. Okay. All right. We're going to go eat it now. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Okay, sweet pea. Let's go. Let's go eat.